In this video, I'll show you the 10 most common HTML and CSS mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. The video will be very useful for beginners and intermediate level developers. Mistake 1. Forgetting the DOCTYPE declaration. Without DOCTYPE HTML, browsers may not render your page correctly. Solution. Always include DOCTYPE HTML at the very beginning of your HTML file. Mistake 2. Incorrect HTML structure. Missing or misplacing HTML, head, and body tags. Solution. Always follow the correct structure. Mistake 3. Skipping the alt attribute for images. Missing alt attributes for images, making them inaccessible for screen readers. Solution. Always include descriptive alt text. Mistake 4. Using inline styles too often. Writing styles directly inside HTML tags makes your code messy and hard to maintain. Use an external CSS file or a style block instead. Mistake 5. Forgetting to close tags. Not closing tags can lead to unexpected layout issues. Always close your tags properly. Mistake 6. Confusing IDs and classes. Mixing up hashtag ID and .class selectors. Use hashtag for IDs and for classes. Mistake 7. Overriding styles unintentionally. Declaring the same selector multiple times, causing style conflicts. Consolidate styles into one block. Mistake 8. Overusing important. Using important too frequently can make debugging harder. Instead, use proper CSS specificity to override styles. Mistake 9. Using fixed units everywhere. Using PX for everything makes your design non-responsive. Use flexible units like rem, %, or VW for responsiveness. Mistake 10. Ignoring browser compatibility. New CSS features may not work in older browsers. Check compatibility on Can I Use and provide fallbacks if necessary. Avoiding these mistakes will make learning HTML and CSS more fun. Like and subscribe if you like the video.